Immerse yourself in the orchestration of heavy machinery, where strength and meticulous engineering create a flawless harmony. These machines are the silent conductors of progress, turning untamed landscapes into architectural marvels. And now let's see how these incredible machines blend strength with precision to monumental feats. The world's longest car is a 100-foot limousine with 26 wheels. This Guinness World Records marvel features a 5,000 horsepower engine, hydraulic systems, and luxury amenities like a swimming pool, airport, mini golf. The restoration combines expert craftsmanship with modern technology to bring back this record-setting classic. The CSM 0932 track tamper efficiently compacts and levels tracks with a working width of 2.5 meters and a maximum tamping force of 200 kN. Complementing it is the DGS62N dynamic track stabilizer, which dynamically stabilizes track alignment with precision, ensuring track durability and safety. These machines are essential for maintaining high-quality railway infrastructure. The CAT AD63 underground truck is built for high productivity in underground mining. With a 63-ton payload and a powerful CAT C27 engine, it delivers reliable performance in tough conditions. The truck features advanced controls, safety systems, and low emissions, making it an efficient and environmentally friendly choice for demanding mining operations. The Liebherr 996B is a powerful mining excavator with a 72-ton bucket capacity. Driven by two 16-cylinder Cummins engines producing a total of 3,000 horsepower, it excels in heavy-duty excavation tasks. Its robust design and advanced hydraulics ensure optimal performance, making it ideal for large-scale mining operations in demanding environments. The Leopard TM Di650i is a high-performance hydraulic drill rig for mining and construction. It features advanced automation for precise drilling, reaching depths up to 35 meters with a diameter of 203 millimeters. Its robust design and smart controls enhance safety, reduce downtime, and boost productivity in demanding conditions. The Shuttle Carrier Aircraft, SCA, is a Boeing 747 modified to transport space shuttles. With a max takeoff weight of about 800 tons and payload capacity up to 70 tons, it features reinforced fuselage and aerodynamic design for secure and stable shuttle transport, essential for space missions. The Hydromax 2715 is a powerful trenching machine with a 325 horsepower diesel engine. It can dig trenches up to 15 feet deep and 27 inches wide, ideal for efficient drainage and irrigation installation in agricultural and utility projects. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures precise and reliable performance. The new Elphinstone E15 agitator features a 7 med3 drum capacity designed specifically for underground mining operations. It is powered by a Caterpillar C7.1 Assert engine, delivering 275 horsepower. The machine's compact design allows it to maneuver easily in tight spaces, with a turning radius of just 4.5 meters. It also includes advanced safety systems and a durable frame to withstand harsh mining conditions. The Mader Mini Crane MC81 is a compact yet powerful lifting solution ideal for confined spaces. With a maximum lifting capacity of 8.09 tons and a reach of up to 19.6 meters, it excels in precision lifting and placement tasks. Its compact design, combined with advanced safety features and a user-friendly interface, makes it perfect for construction, maintenance, and industrial projects where space is limited. Meet Eagle Prime in the giant robot duel. This Mk3 class megabot weighs 12 tons, stands 16 feet tall, and is powered by a 430 horsepower V8 LS3 engine. And now let's witness its first live-fire combat trial. The Gecko SPX 650 is a versatile mini crane designed for confined spaces and heavy lifting tasks. With a maximum lifting capacity of 5 tons and a reach of up to 23.5 meters, it excels in precision lifting. Its compact design, combined with advanced stability features and remote control operation, makes the SPX 650 ideal for construction, industrial, and maintenance applications. The Cat Cold Planers are high-precision machines for milling asphalt and concrete. Powered by a Cat C 9.3 engine, they offer cutting widths of 1,000 mm PM310, 1 to 200 mm PM312, and 1,300 mm PM313. With advanced grade and slope control, they ensure consistent cutting depth and smooth surface results across various applications. Discover the largest waterside excavator in the USA, employed by Great Lakes Dredge and Dock for Boston Harbor dredging. This colossal machine, with a bucket capacity of 45 cubic meters and a digging depth of 30 meters, delivers immense power and efficiency. Its advanced hydraulic system and robust construction are designed to handle the most demanding dredging tasks with precision. Japan Railway's latest innovation, a humanoid robot with a striking 80s sci-fi design, is set to revolutionize maintenance tasks. Mounted on a truck, this futuristic machine boasts a remarkable 12-meter vertical reach and a capacity to handle up to 40 kilogos. Initially tackling tree trimming and metal frame painting, it promises to alleviate worker shortages and elevate safety standards in maintenance operations. The Demolition XXL 76 Siemens is a powerful demolition machine with a 76-meter reach, ideal for dismantling tall structures safely. Its hydraulic arm and high-performance attachments ensure precision and efficiency in large-scale demolition projects, minimizing risks in hazardous environments. The Sandvik DD212 is a compact underground drill rig ideal for small-scale tunneling and mining. It features a 20 kW electric motor and a boom reach of up to 10.5 meters, offering precise drilling and excellent maneuverability in tight spaces. The Liebherr R974B VHHD STC HRD, showcased by Mrozek Company, is a powerhouse in high-reach demolition. With a 50-meter reach and robust hydraulic system, it efficiently handles heavy demolition tasks. This model features enhanced stability and precision, making it ideal for dismantling large industrial structures. Its advanced technology ensures safety and productivity in complex operations. The Ripsaw is a high-speed unmanned ground vehicle designed for rapid deployment in combat zones. Capable of exceeding 60 mph and navigating rugged terrain, it offers advanced armor, surveillance systems, and remote weaponry, enhancing tactical support while keeping operators safe. The Van Oord Goliath backhoe dredger, utilized at Klaipeda Bega Terminal, showcases its capabilities with a powerful hydraulic system and a 26-meter-long bucket that can handle up to 800 cubic meters of material per scoop. It operates efficiently in depths of up to 20 meters, featuring a robust 5,000 kilodollar engine for enhanced performance and precision. Ideal for large-scale port maintenance and expansion projects. The Liebherr 974 is a powerful excavator designed for heavy-duty tasks. With over 600 kilowatts of engine power and a bucket capacity up to 10 cubic meters, it excels in handling large material volumes. Weighing over 90 tons, it features a robust undercarriage and advanced hydraulics for exceptional stability and efficiency in demanding environments. The CAT HW300 high-wall mining system excels in surface mining with its advanced automation and powerful cutting head. Capable of cutting up to 50 meters deep, this robust machine boosts productivity and efficiency while enhancing safety. Its innovative design and high production capacity make it ideal for demanding mining operations. The Fantini GU70 Special is a versatile machine tailored for both open-cast and underground quarries. Featuring a robust 200 kilowatt engine and an advanced conveyor system, it efficiently handles material with a capacity of up to 4 tons per hour. Its adjustable components ensure adaptability to various quarry conditions, optimizing productivity and material handling while minimizing wear and tear. Meet the Brachy M46.B 4-row mounder, engineered for efficient site preparation in forestry. This robust machine features a 4-row configuration and operates with a working width of 2.5 meters. Equipped with advanced hydraulic systems, it ensures precise mound formation. Its heavy-duty construction makes it ideal for large-scale operations, enhancing productivity and soil management. The Jacto K3000 is a powerful sprayer with a 3,000-liter tank and a 24-meter boom, designed for efficient crop protection. It ensures precise application of herbicides and pesticides, minimizing waste. With its advanced hydraulic system and electronic controls, the K3000 maximizes productivity, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations. We've witnessed how the harmony of heavy, incredible machines, extraordinary transformations to life. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into heavy machinery. Hit subscribe to keep up with our latest videos and let us know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.